If you're wheelchair dependent, it's difficult to push yourself very far. Even for an able-bodied person, it's hard work to push somebody in a wheelchair. Well, you don't have to put up with these limitations anymore. Introducing the Companion range of electric folding travel wheelchairs by Out and About Healthcare. Coming in 3 sizes, the Companion folding wheelchairs are very suitable for travelling on planes and on ocean cruises. Made with an aluminium frame and with long-range lithium batteries, the Companion is truly a product for anyone desiring to get out and about. As you can see, this wheelchair is set up for operation, while this one has already been collapsed, making it very compact and easy to wheel around. But the most surprising thing is that this only weighs 20.4 kilos, making it lighter than the average suitcase. As you can see, the Companion is very manoeuvrable and very stable and has an impressive range of up to 15 kilometres. The armrests are designed to hold 77 kilos of weight, so the user can use them to help them get out of the chair. The controller can be easily moved from the front to the rear of the chair for a carer to use. So, don't be housebound. Get out and enjoy life with your friends. Give Out and About Healthcare a call to find out more about this fantastic range of electric wheelchairs.